What's up, everybody? Jesse,
Nick, Jeremy,
SlotCityFishing. I'm back.
glad to have him back too.
Yeah. We're out here with Real Hazardous Fishing today. Thanks for having me on your boat, man.
Glad to have you.
It's awesome. Yeah, we're at the ledge. We made the trip out here. I was real tired. Luckily, Jeremy had some bean bags. I slept the whole way, but we're out here now. We got all the spreaders going out here. Hopefully we'll catch some mahi, wahoo. What else we got out here today?
Could catch tuna, sailfish, drop down on the bottom, catch some triggerfish, grouper season's open, snapper, all kind of fish out here.
Ooh, I already caught a bonita and man, he already wore me out. I'm gonna be tired by the end of the day.
Yeah. All right, good thing we only got like 10 more hours to go, so. All right, let's get it.
All right.
True.
Uh-oh, who's up?
Oh, snap.
You ready? Yeah, you want to guess which one he is?
Same rod.
You ready?
Yep.
There you go, man. Let's pull it out of my hand. That's a good fish. Oh. We're going to hit the one that's the farthest away. That's just like the rules of the road.
Yeah. Maybe slide
You need that piece?
Yeah, slide that fight right on there.
That makes a big difference on it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, number 2 on.
It's awkward, ain't it?
This dude is big. Do we need to tighten?
You take a line?
I'm just not gaining any.
Yeah. I will have one slow down.
Good grief, yeah.
That's a tuna.
Oh, it's a tuna?
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna flip it. You ready? Brother, there you go. There we go.
Oh, we got a black fin.
What are you talking about? You want to catch one of those?
Nice.
What, you want to catch one of those?
Yeah, first one ever.
He's about to go speed football.
Yeah, when they stay deep like that,
Heck yeah, man, that's awesome. Dude's my first fish back from deployment, man.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
that tuna.
Dang.
Awesome, bro.
Heck yeah.
Good job,
Oh shoot.
on. Dang, fish on. Fish on again? Alright guys, come on, you're killing us up there.
Oh, man.
Alright, Jeremy.
Jeremy's up.
Ready? You go ahead, let me
Here's your butt.
somebody's gotta grab my rod while I take it. That's a nice fish here. Okay. Got it? Yeah. Oh, yes, sir.
Dang, boy.
That's a good one there.
Oh, dang, that was running.
Hey, it's Jeremy's turn. That might be number 2.
Oh, yeah.
Caught me off guard. I'm putting on something lotion. No, I mean, pointer's up, so. Pretty good. That is a lot. Oh, check out that tuna, guys. That's a
Dang.
blackfin right there.
That is a big tuna.
Wow. That's your personal best there, isn't it? Yeah.
Dang, look at the colors on him, too.
That boy right there now, ain't it?
Dang, boy, he's thick.
That big boy.
Whoa. He wore you out, huh?
Yeah.
Is that PB?
Yeah.
Dang.
Personal best.
Fish on? Whoa. Is that big dude?
Big one. Yeah. I got the giant one, but I'll switch it in. Banking on him. He's still there. Okay. Grab the reel. Walk up. I got a leader and then the rest of the way.
is that? For real?
Throwing it back.
Nice.
Smell those barracuda?
Ooh.
They got a stench.
Look at that. Look at that.
What I need to do?
Give me a second. There we go.
Oh, shit. This one's big.
Never seen one hit that close to the boat.
Oh, skipjack.
When we're just talking about skipjack.
Yeah, you did say that.
Guys, y'all are catching everything out here today.
That guy was hungry.
His fish hit the big rod close in,
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah.
and we have
Hey,
to
man.
find the fish from China.
We'll have to cut
Skipjack.
You got it up.
Oh, it's a fish for sure. I'll get it. Or Nick, are you up?
Oh, look at the dolphin. Fine.
Nice dolphin. All right, guys.
Definitely a mahi. I think you said. Hold on, stop right there.
Are you good? You got a little bit? Hey, what's another one? Fish on, baby.
Another fish?
Fish on. Yeah, work. You work.
There we go.
Nice fish. Nice fish.
Woo! And the hook came right off.
Another one.
Dang.
Leave that gap too, guys. Now, let's get this fish in first.
Hey, what about these orange things?
Yes, we have.
I thought I seen one though.
I thought I saw a dolphin.
They were around there. Let's double header.
Barracuda and dolphin in the boat.
So Ryan, come on up. Y'all want a picture with him or y'all?
I'm cool with not doing that.
Okay, I'm gonna toss him.
I might throw up on him.
I thought I did, but my eyes should have been quick on. I can get a picture of y'all, or y'all wanna go?
Say something, bro.
Say something, bro. All right, man. I think I've got 2 tuna. Now this really stud mahi. I think it's my biggest mahi ever. But killer day, man.
Nice job.
All right, let's
Let me get some like.
I think so. I saw it on the surface.
Oh yeah,
It's thrashing up here still.
yeah.
Where's that thing? I got you, boy. Where's that butt? Right there. Real boy, real.
What is that compared to the line here? Pretty sure he'll be close.
Woo!
20 inches at the 4. I won't run this as far back.
First mahi ever.
Heck yeah. That was awesome.
Fight.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Take him back there and lay him on that buoy. He's got to be
Measure him?
at the 4. Yeah.
Alright, we've been trolling around for like 30-45 minutes and we haven't caught anything. So we're gonna pull the baits out of the water and go back to the ledge and drop them down and try and catch some vermilion snappers or triggerfish, hopefully. And Jesse really wants to see me try and reel in a reef donkey, so I got to get that one off the list. It's been a really productive morning though. We've got 4 blackfin tuna. Are they all in the boat?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got 4 blackfin tuna in the boat, and the one Jeremy caught is freaking huge. How much did it weigh? 20 pounds?
Yeah.
So there's 4 blackfin tuna in there and 2 keeper mahi. We caught 2 other mahi that were a little too small, so we had to let them go.
Can you grab that big tuna?
Look at this mug. 20 pounds. That's huge. He said that's his personal best. That was really cool to see.
Yeah.
And those, that was the first mahi I had ever caught, so that was really cool too. I think we're about at the spot though, so we're gonna get these baits in the water.
Let's get these baits in the water.
Reef donkey. We got that beer, it was called Reef Donkey once.
That was disgusting. All right, this one's bigger.
I think you got an amberjack.
I think it's a lesser, what do you call it, a lesser amberjack?
This guy's not coming up.
You still got one?
Yeah. Hey,
Nice fish
you
coming
might
up.
have the greater.
Holy crap. He's still pulling down.
Oh, man.
You ain't got him down this way yet?
Still something on there.
Yeah, dude.
Whoa, grouper?
Oh man, grouper.
Keep him?
I don't think so. Probably not. Probably a little short.
What's the slot?
Gags are 24. Reds are
Fresh grouper?
20.
Yeah, actually.
Nice.
What kind of grouper is that? Dude, amberjack is like 4 times that size.
Oh my God. That's like 22.
Gotcha.
Yeah, man, it's still back.
Cool fish though.
Yeah.
See ya. I think I'm on too. You got that reef donkey.
Dude, it just bent over inside.
There's your reef donkey. Dang, dude. Whatever these are, they're big.
You get yours up yet?
Oh, it's a snapper.
You're getting circled by something. See that?
That's another. There's a bunch of stuff down there.
I have one of y'all, or...
Need a hand?
You got your fish still? What a nice snapper there.
Yeah, too bad we can't keep them.
Did you say you were wanting to get her? No, I see that.
Yeah.
Is it silver?
Yeah.
I think it's your reef donkey, man. There's a bunch of dudes around him. This is cool. Come on, man. Did you get the biggest one? That's a giant something. Dude, you doubled up on a jack and snapper?
Oh, I got an amberjack and a red snapper. Or not an amberjack,
I think it's a almaco, I'm not sure.
that's a big red snapper.
Dude!
What is that?
That's a friggin' reef donkey.
No wonder that shit was so hard.
Yeah, it's a good snapper.
That's a big snapper. Whoops. Am I holding funny?
Yeah. All right, you're good. Here, I think Jeremy wants to get a shot with you.
Oh, nice.
Nice red snapper.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
All right, let's play him back.
See ya! All right, dudes. That was one heck of a trip, man. We're about to head back in. We stopped and just did that bottom fishing. Got a bunch of vermilions in the boat, porgies, a couple triggerfish to add on to the mahi, tuna, and everything else in there. So, and like, I couldn't have asked for a better day offshore, and I really appreciate you, the offer that you made taking us out.
No
So,
problem. Glad to have you guys. It was
yeah.
fun.
If you guys like our channel, check out Real Hazardous on YouTube. That's more of the offshore flavor stuff that we don't really do too much. And I mean, as you can see, the proof is in the box. He's awesome, so check out his channel. But we got a long ways to ride. And the next few days, maybe we'll have some catch and cook videos up of some of these fish, because a lot of them were first for us, like tuna, mahi, porgy. So, yeah.
I feel awful.
Nick survived.
That's probably why we did so well.
I think the secret is if you bar from the back of the boat, you catch 4 blackfin tuna in a row. Sweet. All right, dudes, we'll catch you next time.